Fantastic heads, how you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, we're talking about the A Ma Maniére 4. Apparently, there's not going to be any raffles for the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 4 while you were sleeping. This is the Phantom colorway. This is the second Air Jordan 4 that's coming out from A Ma Maniére. So we don't know what's going on yet, but we haven't seen any raffles as retailers have chosen to do a straight online drop on September the 20th. They're supposed to be dropping on A Ma Maniére website at 11 a.m. Eastern time. So these are going to be more difficult to cop. We don't know if these Jordan 4s are going to be limited or will they be a wider release as the A Ma Maniére 3s. As we know, the Air Jordan 4s from A Ma Maniére usually start off high and then they usually tank. I do see this colorway doing better than the first one. However, only time will tell for that. This is a nice colorway from most people were saying. This color palette is briefly described as the Phantom. And there's a light shades of purple that cover the entire uppers build. Additional soft touches add to the signature and truly make A Ma Maniére collaboration. Burgundy crush appears on the outsoles, covering the toe and heel, while the violet work builds a premium aesthetic as a quilted liner on the interior. Yellow khaki shade of Muslim surrounds the shoe and on the laces. Overall, this is just a clean pair. I am going to be going for these, and we wish you the best of luck. I think your best bet, if there is a social status near you or a Ma Maniére store, to try to go there in person and stand in line. I think this may be your best bet. There's also rumors that haven't been confirmed that Nike sneaker apps will be dropping these as well. Again, we wish you the best of luck with these sneakerheads, but again, there'll be no raffle for these, and with the retail price of $225, we hope that this will be an easy cop for everyone. I do see resale prices starting to drop. They were around $800 for my size. Now they're hovering around $300 and something, still above the market as of Wednesday, September the 18th. However, I do see these to be dropping some more and do expect prices to be more around $300 on the day of release. Now, if Sneakers does drop them on their website, then I do expect the A Ma Maniére 4s to drop even lower. Again, it has not been confirmed that these will drop on the sneakers app. As of today, this is Wednesday. My size 10 is going for $360. Again, that's around $110 over retail price. Again, because we will be trying to go for these on the A Ma Maniére website, we will be paying that extra $16 for shipping. However, we don't have to worry about the $5 for the EQ raffle, because as I said, there is no raffle. But again, we wish you the best of luck, sneakerheads, and let us know how you did down in the comments on Friday. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next video, sneakerheads.
Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.